Hello everyone, as I've shown in my last video, I am interested in starting this Crown Athlete from Aoshima, and to help me make it even more detailed and realistic, I shall be using also this photo etch set from Hobby Design, the HD02-0303, and as you can see, it is for the AWS210 Crown Hybrid Royal Saloon. The one I am using is the GRS214 Crown Athlete, and that in terms don't match, and that is exactly because this particular photo etch is not for this kit. However, it's for the Crown Royal Saloon, which has the different front bumper, the one where the grille has a T-shape, but other than that the kits are very similar. I have checked the parts list from this kit to the Royal Saloon, and most of the parts are the same, and the majority of the parts included in this photo etch set match with the kit I also have. Let's open it up and explain that better. Okay, so we have the photo etch and the leaflet from Hobby Design. Let's take a closer look first at the parts, and as we can see, we have the disc brakes, also parts of the disc brakes, the mirrors, pedals, the Royal Crown badges, Royal Saloon, dashboard, wipers, Toyota emblem, and hybrid badges also. That doesn't fit on my Crown because that's not a hybrid. However, most of the parts which I need I can fit, and these are the disc brakes, okay, side mirrors, Crown, Toyota, wipers, everything matches with my kit, and that makes it useful to use. And as I shall explain, thanks to this manual, okay, over here we have the number that corresponds with the part of the sprue that are included with the Athlete, and I have cross-checked the parts from the Athlete to the Royal Saloon, and all of these parts, the dash, the steering, the rear view mirror, side mirror, brakes, wipers, they are all identical, and that makes me happy because I can use this on my Athlete version. The ones which I can't use are obviously the dedicated badges, like the Royal Saloon and the hybrid badge down here together with the license plate, because that reads Royal Series, and other than that I can fit on mine. And like all other photo etch sets from Hobby Design, this is very well detailed, perfectly detailed. Look at those brakes, and I'm looking very forward into using this to make my Crown Athlete even more realistic. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.